Hello, welcome to my video for assignment week 4 video lab. I'm going to have to discuss the booting process for my computer. Whenever I boot my computer, it pops up and it has a screen that pops down and it asks me to sign in. I would then put in a code that only I would know to actually open up the screen. Is to do that to protect my computer from unwanted users. Another thing, booting process. It boots up 2 programs for myself, NordVPN, which I'll talk about later, and Discord, which is basically a kind of like a Skype, but like a gamer type thing. Don't worry about the details and stuff. But what happens, sometimes some booting errors can happen. It happened when I first, because I have a custom PC. It recently happened before. Most of the time when it was a booting error, I would turn off the PC and I would actually open up my PC and go and try and mess with some of the wires and seeing what chips are in the wrong place or anything like that. When I first made this PC, the big problem that I had was that I had put the RAM actually in the wrong places, and it would always yell at me saying, "Hey, RAM is in the wrong place." Now, once I said before, I'm going to talk about NordVPN. NordVPN is one of utility programs that I have on my PC. It's not like a normal utility program that I will go into later, but it basically it helps with my internet connection. As you can see, there are multiple servers based around in America, but there's also servers out in different areas. So basically this allows me to change my IP to be in California, or if I wanted to, I can go all the way to Britain. And basically this allows me to act if I'm in a server in Britain. So like, say I'm trying to watch Netflix, but Netflix has different shows for different countries, so I could pretend to be in British and watch British shows on Netflix. And not only that, it also protects my online packaging, because whenever you go online, you have data that is being sent out there in the open, and sometimes bad people, hackers, come in and they just snag a bit of it as it's flying by. Another utility program that I have is Malwarebytes. Malwarebytes is an antivirus program and also scanner. What it does, it scans my computer for any threats. As you can see, perfectly clean, beautiful. They also have different programs you can install this, but I didn't bother because my thing is perfectly fine, normal as it is. Another utility program that I have is 7-Zip. 7-Zip file manager. Sometimes you will, especially with me when I do video games, sometimes you can download a program or a file and it's locked in a zip folder. When something's in a zip folder, you cannot extract anything out of it. You have to use this zip manager. You use it, you're able to plop something out and able to take any files inside that folder out. Unlike a regular folder where I can just click on it and then, oh look, everything's on there and whatever. Another thing is, we're looking at it right now, File Manager. What File Manager is File Explorer. I'm sorry, File Explorer. It allows me to look at the various files or videos or pictures that I have on my computer. And as you can see, there is this little bit right here. This right here is called the file path. It basically, as in the name, it's a path, but it's a route, kind of like a cheat sheet, I would say. You could say that shows, hey, how did you get to this file? To get to the 7-zip, you came from programs file. The programs file came from the start menu file. The start menu file comes from a Windows file. Windows file came from the Microsoft file. And you press a little arrow, it goes down, and it goes, oh, it's from program data. And look, it's on local disk, this PC, desktop. I could click on this PC right here, click go to local disk, and then I would find program data, and then follow this, and I would able to get to 7-zip. I could do it right now, but that's a lot of work. You try experimenting and doing it yourself. And yes, that should be about it on everything, and that's everything for the things. Yeah. Thank you for watching the video.